Anthropic just launched something that changes how entire teams use AI at work, and it's called Claude Tag, and it's already live in beta for enterprise and team customers. Here's what it actually is and why it matters. Claude Tag is Claude living inside your Slack workspace as a full team member, not a bot you open in a separate tab, not a tool one person uses alone, a shared AI agent that any person on your team can summon just by typing @Claude in a channel. Once you tag it, Claude breaks the task into steps, executes them using the tools and data it has access to, and posts the result right back in the thread. Then anyone else on the team can pick up where it left off. Anthropic describes Claude Tag as an evolution of Claude Code, but the shift here is significant. Claude Code was a solo tool. You ran it in your terminal. You were the only one benefiting from it. Claude Tag takes that same capability and makes it multiplayer. A single Claude instance lives inside each Slack channel, and your whole team shares it. Someone starts a task, someone else follows up, and Claude maintains the full thread of context across all of it. Claude Tag ships with 4 core behaviors: multiplayer access, contextual memory, ambient proactivity, and asynchronous task handling. Let's break each one down. Multiplayer access means one Claude per channel shared by everyone. No more each person running their own isolated AI session. If your colleague delegates a task to Claude and then steps away, you can jump into the same thread, see what Claude did, and continue from there. This alone changes how teams coordinate. Contextual memory means Claude remembers what happens in the channels it's added to. Over time, it builds up knowledge of your projects, your team's patterns, and your organizational data. You stop repeating yourself every time you open a new conversation. Claude already knows the background. It can also automatically learn from other Slack channels and data sources if it's granted permission, but it does not report from private channels. Ambient proactivity means that when this mode is enabled, Claude proactively flags relevant updates, follows up on unresolved threads, and surfaces insights without being prompted. It monitors channels and nudges you when something needs attention without you having to ask. Asynchronous task handling means you set Claude a task and you can focus on other priorities while it works. It can also schedule tasks for itself, pursuing a project autonomously over hours or days. Anthropic says this has been particularly useful internally. They now spend much more time delegating tasks to many Claudes in parallel. On the admin and security side, system administrators specify which tools and information Claude should have access to and in which channels. Think of it as creating separate Claude identities for different uses. Everything, including its memories, stays scoped to the channels defined by the administrators. Admins can also set monthly token spend limits at both the organization and channel level, and they get a full log of everything Claude has done, along with who requested each task. Claude acts through its own service account rather than borrowing any user's login, which keeps permissions clean and auditable. On billing, channel work is billed to the organization, while direct messages with Claude in Slack are billed to the individual user's own Claude account. Now for the honest picture of what this is good for and what it isn't. Claude Tag shines when work is collaborative, ongoing, and shared across a team. Engineering teams triaging bugs, support teams chasing tickets, product teams pulling metrics. This is where the persistent memory and multiplayer access make it genuinely different from anything before it. The downside is that it's Slack only for now. It runs on Opus 4.8, which is the most capable but also the most expensive model, and it's only available to enterprise and team plan customers. Individual users on a basic plan cannot access it yet. Anthropic says 65% of its own product team's code is now created by its internal version of Claude Tag, and the same pattern is spreading beyond engineering into product metrics, support tickets, and bug analysis. That's not a marketing number. That's Anthropic saying they built this because they actually use it themselves. The existing Claude in Slack app will be retired on August 3, 2026. Admins have a 30-day window to migrate, and Anthropic is issuing introductory launch credits to eligible enterprise and team organizations. If your team is already on Slack and on an enterprise or team plan, this is the most significant upgrade to how you'll work with AI that Anthropic has shipped to date.